Oh, you got another toy, huh?
Hey, man.
New
What?
toy, huh?
Hey, I'm on the outside looking in, bro.
Sammy picked up where you came in.
Okay.
Where you picked up. Sammy picked up where you left off.
Forward!
Forward! When that's coming? Yeah.
I think you gotta open the gate.
I think I do too, bro. Let me find the key. Somewhere around here. Reach around and wrench it off. Stay to the reside. Then I'm gonna back up right here. Oh no, I need to go over there. Back up that way. Back up on this side. So that we can shoot the hoses straight out. You know what I'm saying?
You see that?
That fire
I
hydrant?
got one.
A beautiful day in the neighborhood, Sammy.
Yes, sir.
Oh man. Did you smoke that thing back there?
I mean, I don't know if you want to say I smoked it
Uh-huh.
or did I cook it like Crisco?
With Crisco? With Crisco?
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
Uh-huh. You know.
hello?
That's a high mix, Pawpaw.
Mix, Pawpaw.
That's a
Shout
high
out to him.
shout out to T-Rez. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you need to get in the gate? Hold tight. Hold tight. You got the key, right? Yeah. Hmm? Hmm?
You can bring it to the gate. Yeah, I'm gonna
Six.
these flowers.
Yeah, yeah. Great, put like a 3% mix on here, man. I was having some air leaks in this thing the other day. Come to find out, where the bulkhead, there was an elbow at the bulkhead where it was coming in, and it had a hairline crack in it. So I had to troubleshoot it, and thank God I had that see-through block, man. It pinpointed exactly what the problem is. Come on. Watch that heat come out of there. Come on out of there. There you go. Yeah. This is a 3% mix, man. Let me bump the soap up a little bit. Don't look like a lot of soap coming out. Check that green moss out. It's gonna be white here in a minute. Check it out. It's a high mix, Pawpaw.